fix screen brightness problem in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix the screen brightness problem in your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your Windows icon, right click on your Windows icon, and you need to go with the device manager option. Under device manager, you will have this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply go with display adapters. After that, select your display adapter, right click on it, go with properties. Under properties, you need to go with driver, and from here you need to go with update driver. You can go with the first option, which is search automatically for drivers, and it will install the best drivers. Or you can also go back and go with the second option, which is browse my computer for drivers, and then let me pick from a list of available drivers, select the driver, go with next, and it will install. This is the first fix. But if this doesn't fix your problem, then again right click on it, go with uninstall device. After uninstalling the device, then you can again go with your browser or any installing source, and you need to install the display adapters or the driver, graphics driver. After that, you can restart your device and it will automatically install your driver. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing or the last solution is again you need to right click and then go with the device manager, and here you will have monitors. Go with monitors and go with your integrated monitor, right click on it, go with properties, go with driver, and go with update driver. And here also you need to do the same thing, you need to update your drivers. After updating, then your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix screen brightness problem in your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.